Thank you for joining us for this week's chapter of How To. Previous installments include How to Make a Documentary Film, How to Exercise Without Pain, and our most popular guide, How to Improve Your Personality During Crippling Depression. This week's episode will be all about curing hiccups, so sit back and enjoy some freshly popped popcorn and a refreshing Coca-Cola from our concession stand in the lobby as we teach you how to cure your hiccups. Hiccups can certainly be obnoxious in any public or social setting, and they may sometimes be hard to distinguish. The golden rule is that when people start to look at you funny, that's your sign you have the hiccups. So take that sign and do something about it. You screeching pterodactyl. Lucky for you, there are several home remedy options for curing this involuntary embarrassment. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's give them a go, shall we? Suckle on a lemon wedge. Oh yes, the acidity distracts the vagus nerve, resetting the contractions which caused your hiccups in the first place. Tickle the roof of your mouth with a Q-tip. Blow up a balloon. Ben gets startled when the balloon bursts because you have a paralyzing fear of balloons. Startling yourself can also be a very good way of scaring your hiccups gone. Eat a spoonful of sugar. It really does help the medicine go down. Pull your knees up to your chest, just like when you duck and cover in terror during the Cold War. Breathe into a paper bag. This will increase the carbon dioxide in your bloodstream. Science. Sip ice-cold water. Very, 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 very slowly. Hold your breath. But not so long that you eventually pass out from, well, lack of air. And there you have it, boys and girls. You just learned a few ways on how you can cure your hiccups. Congratulations! Medically scientific mumbo-jumbo courtesy of winchesterhospital.org. What the .org stands for, I have absolutely no idea. Come back next week where we'll teach you how to stop thinking. Until then, uh-oh.